Let's go over how to manage your video projects. When you create a recording, it's automatically saved on your local computer. By default, these recordings are stored in your Documents folder. However, you can organize them into separate folders by clicking the folder icon in the upper left corner to switch between folders you've used, or browse to select a new folder. When you view a folder within the Project Manager, you'll have the option to create recordings, import recordings, search for recordings, or to change the way recordings are displayed. The current view is sorted to show recordings based on when they were last modified, displaying the most recently modified recordings first. Click here to display your oldest videos first instead. You can also click here to sort your videos by name, the date on which they were created, or the video duration. The app will group recordings based on time, as we see with this Today group. You can click this arrow to collapse a group, then use these icons to view more videos within it. You can search for a specific recording using the Search Video Projects box. Manage the recordings in the current folder by selecting the Manage Video Projects checkbox. To perform an action, first select the recordings to which you want to apply that action. This will display options to copy, move, export, or delete recordings from the current folder. Next, click an Action button. For example, if you click Copy, you will see a list of folders previously used or the option to browse for another folder. Select a folder and the selected recordings will be copied there. The Export option can be used to compress a recording into a file that can be transferred to our app on a different computer. Import this type of file into the video editor using the Import button. When you click Delete, the app marks the selected recordings for deletion. The actual deletion does not occur until you close the video editor. You can also click here to undelete a video, or click Commit Delete to immediately send the selected items to the trash. Visit our website to learn more about all our other features.